So here's the stock market, SPX. Incredible. I mean, we've talked about the cyclical patterns in here and how they were running pretty steadily at 20 days to this low, 20 days to this low, 20 days to this low. And where are we right now? Well, we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10th day. That 10th day is a pretty good place to get a rebound, and then another move to the downside. So I'm going to, often when you get into free falls, these cycles shorten up. They shorten up because the capitulations, people run out of stuff to sell, and the bargain hunters come in. So what I believe is that what's going to happen is we're going to trade in a range. If they get up to this area of around 27.32, that would be, to me, about the best I can see on the upside right now, and with a potential up here to this area of about, let's say that's 28.10. Let's just pick 28.10 as the area that makes the most sense in here as an upward target for the near term and maybe even over coming weeks. And then that would be the area that I think that there are big sells. So a very big sell over these next several days in here if they get there, and less so out over here because we'll be looking for maybe potentially 2,900 in that next bounce over there. So right now for the next week, we're again calling for wide ranges. The bottoming not coming for at least a week, probably about, we're going to maybe 7 to 10 trading sessions that we see in here. That means you get rallies that fail and more free falls that come in here, and very likely going to test that level down over there. When I did the big picture analysis, I talked about the supports that are below this on the intermediate and long-term pattern. So if you want to see those, please do watch that video. We're going to call for a lot of swings in here, and trading basically in that range. Momentum, you can see down right over here, and it's been just incredible. A sell signal that comes right at that point on the projection oscillator. And how good was that? I mean, it fell 500 points after that. So incredible. Sell zone works over here. We expect the sell zone to work over here. Let's call a range for this week. Somewhere, well, let's call it wide, about 350 points. How about 24 and a half down up to about 2,800. So that's 350 points where we think we could get a range coming in the next week. And that would be all in this process of digesting this big decline with more risks after that. So big swings still here, volatility absolutely crazy, and a very, very good likelihood that much, much lower prices are coming out over the rest of this summer. Bounces should be sold. We're going to keep giving you the sell zones where we think that they should be sold, and that's what we want to do. It'll give you a chance to, certainly as an investor, to find the spots to lighten up on some of your risk, because I know so many investors did not have an opportunity to do that. Not with a 27% decline in 3 weeks off of the top, which is a record. This is a very bad situation, and bounces are coming, and don't believe them because they just are a very, very low probability when I look at that.